Good morning, boys and girls. Today for math, we are looking at day 9. We are almost done talking about the same and different. At the end, we should be able to say, hey, these things are alike in this way. Hey, these things are alike, but they're also different in this way. And we're going to be able to sort and say how we sorted things too. So that's where we're going. First, we're going to write our name. And by now, you guys know that only the first letter is capital, and all the rest are lowercase. Today, we're also practicing writing 3 numbers. And if you look real close, you can see that there are still lines here, but we're getting closer to writing the numbers on our own. So for the 3, again, remember you're holding your pencil like a triangle. If I look, I see a triangle, and I'm holding it close to the tip of my pencil, and we are using a pencil. I'm holding my pencil back a little bit further so that way you can see where my pencil is. I start at the star and I go around the tree, around the tree. That's the way we make the number 3. I'm going to do one of these ones for you. So it gives us the star. I'm going to start at the star and I'm going to go around the tree to make a number 3. You're going to make 2 more number 3s on your own, and then you're going to do the same thing for 4 and 5. For 4, remember, we do pick our pencil up, so we go little line down, little line over, and then we pick our pencil up, big line down. Okay? You practice making 3 4s on your own, and then for number 5, the edge of the number 5 is over here, but my star is here. Well, Mrs. Rentschler, what do I do? So we start at the star, and we go little line down, around the tree, and then we pick our pencil up, and we come up to give him a hat. Around the tree, this is giving him a belly, that's right. So we start little line, give him a belly, and then we pick up our pencil to give him a hat. Okay? You practice making 3 5s on your own. Then down here, it says count and write. So I'm going to count how many apples there are. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 apples. I'm going to look up here to remember how I made my number 4. I went little line down, little line over, picked my pencil up, big line down. That's how I made my number 4. And then I'm going to count how many crayons there are and write the number. How many book bags, bells, rulers, glue, globes, crayon boxes, scissors, and pencils, and then you're writing the number in the spot next to it.